Want to know the secret behind those mind-bending animal transformation reels pulling in high-retention views right now? Today, we are breaking down the exact 4-step framework to build them in under 15 minutes. Welcome to the ultimate masterclass for the wild Mutation AI Reel Architect Gem. This is an autonomous pipeline designed to take you from a raw concept to a published, algorithm-optimized reel. Let's dive into the blueprint. Step 1. The AI Mind. This isn't just a prompt generator, it's a trend hunter. The gem automatically analyzes real-time social media trends and crafts a highly optimized, 3-clip reel concept. It tells you exactly what will go viral before you even create it. Step 2. Google Flow generating visuals. Once the gem gives you your concept, you simply copy the ultra-detailed image prompts it generated. Head right over to Google Flow, paste them in, and watch as it spits out stunning, high-fidelity base images perfectly tailored for your reel. Step 3. La Vibes AI Animation Secrets. Grab the precise image-to-video animation prompts provided by your Reel Architect gem, feed them into the animation tool, and watch your static images transform into fluid, cinematic video clips. Step 4. Massive Reach the Mobile Strategy. Now, we bring it home. Download the clips to your phone and assemble them natively within the Facebook or Instagram app. Add a trending audio track, throw on your text overlays, and hit publish. By uploading natively, the algorithm gives your content an extra push. That is the entire first-step autonomous workflow, from trend analysis to native upload, all in under 15 minutes thanks to the wild Mutation AI Reel Architect gem. To get your hands on this tool and other custom builds, check out the links in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and step into the future with the Time Machine Tech. See you next time.